How to optimize your LinkedIn profile for job search. First of all, make sure your profile photo is professional, high quality, and friendly. This is the first impression recruiters get, so avoid selfies or blurry images. Next, create a strong LinkedIn headline that clearly shows what you do or what role you are targeting. Instead of just writing student or engineer, try something like aspiring software developer, Python, web development to highlight your value and skills. Then write a powerful about section that summarizes your experience, key strength, achievement, and career goals. After that, optimize your experience and education sections by adding detailed description of your roles, responsibilities, and accomplishment. Add relevant skills and prioritize the most important ones. To improve your visibility, stay active by posting content, sharing insight, commenting on posts, and engaging with others. Finally, follow companies, join industry groups, and connect with professionals in your target industry. Networking increases your chances of seeing job opportunities and getting referrals. Now you know how to optimize your LinkedIn profile for job search. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.